We're in Star Wars land. We are taking mock-up photos for the members. And we're also taking photos of new Glowforge files coming out soon, or
it does
ones
not
that have already.
blingy.
I know, I do that with every ear. Even if it doesn't have blingy, I'm like,
We're wrong.
yours are blingy. Let's see yours.
They're
So
beautiful.
pretty. That's Duchess over blushing paints.
With Baby Yoda.
Baby Yoda. Is it tough being a model?
No,
No?
I just like it.
Been doing it your whole life.
Taking photos, and I'm deciding to vlog because we're probably gonna be a hot second. So far we've done no rides, but we've done a lot of photos, and I wanted to go talk to some stormtroopers, but they're not out. So I'll probably get them. I'll get them someday. Okay, they're coming back. Bye guys.